My name is Espen Volden. I'm working in Espen, and I'm responsible for developing new applications and scientific applications in the domain of agriculture and hydrology. And I'm in particular the technical officer for the AgriCEM project.
What strategic objectives does ESA aim to achieve through the AgriCEM project?
Europe has now the most performant and complete Earth observation program in the world, Copernicus. And there are 6 families of Copernicus Sentinels, of which 3 are very useful for agriculture. And we are now preparing 6 new families, of which 3 other will be very useful for agriculture. So providing land surface temperature data, hyperspectral data, and also radar data with longer wavelength than the current Sentinel one. And this will enable improved agricultural monitoring, so supporting production, but also development of new policies and the monitoring and evaluation of these policies. These missions will be launched only from 28 onwards, so data will be available only from 29. If we wait until 2029, it means that the scientists and the companies, they will have to familiarize themselves with this data before they start developing and also validating services. So that means that we will wait very much time before the services. So instead of this, we are trying now to make some simulated data so that they can start playing with the data already now. And then they can provide services just when we start getting the data from these new satellites. And this is one of the main roles of the AgriCEM project.
How does AgriCEM align with broader goals of operationalizing EO data for precision agriculture and sustainable crop management?
AgriCEM is developing key issues for supporting agriculture monitoring, such as, for example, drought monitoring, also disease monitoring. These are key issues that could be in the future part of precision agriculture solutions, and that will really support both a productive and a sustainable agriculture. A key for this is to work with a champion user as KWS. They are at the forefront of taking up new technology. They're also a very important player in the sector, and is also able to contribute with lots of various types of data, in situ data and also drone data that are invaluable for the project.
What do you see as the main legacy of AgriCEM? And what are the next steps to scale or sustain the project's results?
The main legacy will be these representative data sets that will make available to scientists and to companies so that they can start preparing themselves for the new missions, LSTM and CHIME. The second thing is that with this project will provide the first results of using this future data. For a concrete example, monitoring of sugar beet. And then a last thing is that we will get feedback from 2 champion users, KWS and Top Farm.